Hello students, good morning. In this video we are going to study the preparation of carboxylic acid. In the last video we studied the preparation of carboxylic acid from esters. Okay, so now here remaining methods, that is preparation of carboxylic acid, that is from nitriles or acid chlorides, that is RCOCl, then acidic anhydride, and then from the benzene alkyl or alkyl benzene means aromatic carboxylic acid, and then solid CO2 with Grignard reagent. Okay, now we start with the from nitriles. Okay, so here nitriles, that is RC triple bond N, this is called as nitriles or alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. This alkyl cyanide or nitrile on hydrolysis here. First it gives here R, C, here OH, triple bond gets converted into double bond, and here H. H combined with N, OH combined with this. Okay. Now this is the unstable, and then after rearrangement, here double bond come here and H comes to here, and to form here R, C double bond O, NH2. This is called as amide. Okay, and this amide RC double bond O NH2 on again acid hydrolysis to form this NH2 combined with H to form here NH3, and plus OH combined here to form RC double bond O OH, means corresponding carboxylic acid. Here alkyl cyanide gives first this addition product which on rearrangement to form amide. Amide again on hydrolysis with acid hydrolysis, H combined with NH2 to form NH3, OH combined here to form carboxylic acid. Okay. For example, acetonitrile. You know that. What is acetonitrile? Acetonitrile means methyl cyanide. Here CH3C triple bond N plus here HOH. Okay. First it gives CH3C. Here OH and here NH. Triple bond gets converted into double bond. Then after that there is a rearrangement. Here double bond comes here and NH2 comes here to form acetamide. CH3C double bond O NH2. Here CH3C double bond O NH2 on again a hydrolysis. Here again CNH2 combined with H, OH combined here to form CH3C double bond OH, acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay. Then second method of preparation, that is from the acid chloride. That is from RCOCl. From acid chloride. So C double bond OCl, acid chloride, plus HOH, again hydrolysis in presence of acid. This H combined with Cl and OH combined here minus HCl, here R C double bond OH, means given carboxylic acid. This is the useful method to prepare aromatic as well as aliphatic carboxylic acid. For example, here CH3COCl. This is called as acetyl chloride plus HOH. Okay. What Cl combined with H? Here minus HCl. OH combined here to form CH3C double bond OH. That is acetic acid. Or benzoic chloride on hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Okay. Next one, that is from acid anhydride. From acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Here acid anhydride RC double bond O C double bond O R. This is called as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride on again a hydrolysis with mineral acid like dilute sulfuric acid. Then what happened? These are here R C double bond O and this OH to form RC double bond OH. Then remaining HC double bond O, again RC double bond O and this H to form here as acid, carboxylic acid. For example, here CH3C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3 plus HOH in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Now here CH3C double bond OH, first acetic acid molecule. Then H combined here to form here CH3C double bond OH, that is acetic acid, or it is also called as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. After this reaction, then from ester on hydration or hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. Okay. Then after hydrolysis of ester, then alkyl benzene. So alkyl benzene. Here alkyl benzene just like toluene. Here CHH and this H reacts with on oxidation in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate. Here KOH. Now here these two combined with 2H to form H2O, and again two oxygen combined here to form here in this way COOK, potassium benzoate. Then potassium benzoate on acidification. So here it gives benzoic acid, COOH, that is here HCl with dilute HCl, acidification, Cl combined with K to form KCl, H combined here and to form here benzoic acid. Okay, and the last method, last but one method of preparation, that is from alkene. Alkene means containing carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so from alkene here CH3CH double bond CH2 on oxidation in presence of K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. Now here the reaction is just like this. CH3CH, here double bond break. Now two oxygen atom combined here and to form here CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, plus C combined with 2O to form CO2 and H2 combined with O to form H2O. So here 5 times 2. Okay, so this is the from alkene. Next one, that is from Grignard reagent and solid CO2, that is called as dry ice. From solid CO2, or it is called as carbon dioxide with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, what is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent, it is a methyl magnesium bromide or alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard reagent. So solid CO2 it can be written as C double bond O. Okay, this is called as solid CO2, or it is also called as dry ice. Dry ice plus RMgX in presence of dry ether. Okay, so here double bond gets converted into single bond. R goes to C. So here C double bond, one double bond remain as it is. Then R comes to this carbon. Then O combined with MgX. Okay, this is the addition product. After addition product there is a hydrolysis. Now here MgX combined with OH to form MgXOH and H combined here to form RC double bond OH given carboxylic acid, means carboxylic acid is obtained from this solid CO2. Okay, now the example is if this solid CO2 or dry ice reacts with methyl magnesium bromide. here CH3MgCl, methyl magnesium bromide. So in presence of again dry ether. Now this again one double bond, C double bond remain as it is. Okay, C double bond converted into two single bond. Now here C double bond O here. Okay, CH3 combined with this and O combined with MgBr or MgCl. This is addition product. After addition product there is a hydrolysis with mineral acid. Now this MgCl combined with OH, MgClOH plus here CH3 C double bond O and H. Here CH3 C double bond OH, acetic acid. Okay, so in this method, if here C2H5MgCl, then propionic acid. If it is isopropyl magnesium chloride, then butyric acid is obtained. Okay, so aromatic acid is also obtained if it is taken as a phenyl magnesium chloride. So after watching this video, now attempt the following questions. First, how is ethanoic acid obtained from acetonitrile A, B, acetyl chloride, C, acetic anhydride, D, that is CH3CH propene, and E, methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, then second, complete the following reaction. CO2 plus C6H5MgCl giving you A. This is addition product, plus HOH giving you B. This is carboxylic acid. Okay.